Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's topic is the comparison of the two sheets. Uh, I am going to demonstrate a unique way of comparison. Normally, we take it takes a lot of steps, but we have developed a button here which says my toolbar two sheets comparison. This button is capable of uh, making the comparison between any two sheets. So, the simple step I'm going to show you just for an example. Let's go to the summary now, and we have made a copy of this summary. Let me let's go to the top. Yeah, this is a summary, and let's suppose that we make a copy of this sheet, right? We move and copy, click copy, and in the end we remove it, and then we find uh, the same sheet, same name, and with an indication that this is the second copy of this. Okay, so these both are identical, right? So if you click this button, uh, this comparison of the two sheets, so it will try to find out, and it will not come up with any result. That means these are there is no difference in both the sheets. Okay, so now let's test it and make a change in some of this. For example, this is 5875 or anything. So 5173. Let me make it 5177. Okay, press enter. Okay, now, okay, now let's see that what does this button do this time. This button, two sheets comparison. Click it, then you will see that the two will be removed with the difference identified, and it will highlight you that this is 5177 and its previous value was 5172.6875, and it is now 5177, right? 5177, and the previous value is also shown, and it has also identified that this figure is changed because that was the sum of this. So this is also changed. This is also changed. Previously, it was 40932, and now it is 40936. Right? So with the click of button, it is capable of pick the cells which have been changed, right? And you can quickly find out. So this is useful in numerous ways. Uh, and all you need to do is this toolbar to be available, and do this with any file. Let's take a new file, Control N. This is a new file. You still have this toolbar because this is loaded already. Now, in this sheet, you write, for example, 33,345, okay, and you make a copy of it. All right, you make a copy. Let's make it move and copy. This one move to N. Right. So this is the thing. Okay. Now you make it make a change in it. Copy, for example, 349. Okay. And there can be plenty of data, for example. I'm just showing you that it is going to work with a click of button in any two sheets, whatever you write, right? The click it. So it is going, it does not make changes in any of the sheet. It creates a new sheet and with the diff identifier, right? So telling this that this is the difference sheet and showing you that what has gone wrong, what has changed, right? So similarly, you can use the same sheet in same button to identify the changes in the two documents. So two notepad documents. You put first document, so you make a copy of all the data in here, irrespective of what columns and whatever means. Just put your cursor here and paste the data from one notepad file, take the other notepad file and put it here and run. So it is going to highlight you that among these two files, which paragraph has been changed and what was its previous value and what is the new value. So just with a click of button, it is doing it, making a different sheet. It is not changing any of the original data. It creates a copy and presents you the difference. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much and see you in our next video.